In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize WooCommerce email notifications in WordPress. We'll go through the main settings that control how your store emails look and sound, and then we'll finish by testing everything to make sure your customers receive polished, professional messages. Start by opening your WordPress dashboard. From there, go to WooCommerce, then Settings, and open the Emails tab. This is where WooCommerce stores the general email options, along with the individual email templates used for different order updates. First, update the sender name and sender email address. These are important because they tell customers who the email is coming from. Make sure the sender name matches your business branding and use a valid email address that you actively manage. This helps create trust and can also improve deliverability. Next, add your company logo as the email header image. This gives your emails a more branded and professional appearance. Use a properly sized image with a clean design so it displays well across desktop and mobile inboxes. After that, customize the visual style of the emails by adjusting the base color, background color, body color, and text color. These settings let you match the email design to your brand identity. As you make changes, keep readability in mind. Strong branding is great, but the text should still be easy to read, especially for order details and important customer information. Then edit the footer text. This is a good place to include a short business message or standard closing line. Keep it simple and professional so it complements the rest of the email without distracting from the main content. Now open either the customer processing order email or the completed order email. These are two of the most common customer-facing messages, so they're a great place to start customizing. Update the subject line and the email heading so the message feels more aligned with your brand voice. Clear wording is usually best, since customers often scan their inbox quickly. If needed, add a custom message to the email. This can be useful for setting expectations, thanking the customer, or sharing a brief note related to fulfillment. Keep the message concise so it adds value without making the email feel crowded. For more advanced changes, copy the WooCommerce email template to your child theme. This is the safe way to customize the structure or layout without editing the original plugin files. Once the template has been copied, edit the PHP file in your child theme instead of changing anything directly in WooCommerce. That way, your customizations are less likely to be lost during plugin updates. Finally, place a test order and review the finished email. Check the design, wording, colors, logo placement, and overall formatting. Testing helps you catch small issues before your real customers ever see them.